Welcome guys, today I'm with Realme Narzo 50A Prime and I want to show you how you can use your camera application. So basically I'm going to show you a few camera tips. I think that right now we can change the brightness level. So if you're thinking about changing the brightness level, probably you are going to open the Pro mode, right? But you can make it straight in your photo mode, video mode or portrait mode. How to make it? That's simple. You can just tap on the screen and then move the sun icon like that. As you can see, we can increase and decrease brightness level. To make it automatically, you can just wait a few seconds until this preview of the slider disappear, or just simply click once on the screen. Okay, so right now let's change the color and the temperature. To make it, you have to go for the more modes, go for the filters, and there it is. You can find a few presets. You can pick on that one that fits you the best. So for example, let's pick the winter. As you can see right here, you can also adjust the brightness level. So I'm going to decrease because it's too bright actually with the filter. Okay, right now it looks really good. Click on the screen and there it is, the photo is taken. Take a look how great it looks. We can stay with these more modes. Right now we can take photo with the more details, so we can use the 50 megapixel mode. Let's focus for example on this part of the background. So catch focus, take photo. You have to keep your phone steady, don't move like that, don't shake. And let's make the same with the normal mode. So we are going to make a comparison between these two photos. Okay, let's zoom in, and nice, it looks really good actually. That's a lot of details in this place. Let's focus on this 50 megapixel mode right now. Okay, and as you can see right here, we can find definitely more details. For example, when you take a look right here, that's nice quality in this camera application. And I think that right now I'm going to show you how you can adjust the volume key function. So normally you can find them right here at the bottom when you hold your phone like that in this position. And as you can see, when you click any of them, you can just simply take photo like using this shutter, right? We can also go for the settings and change the function of these buttons. So to make it, we have to open the settings and pick this volume key function and switch to the zoom. Take a look right now, when you click volume up, you can smoothly zoom in and zoom out by using volume down. Okay, so that's all for the Realme Narzo 50A Prime. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.